Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we are gonna learn about mixChannels function. This function is gonna help us to swap the channels inside an image, which are red, green and the blues. So basically this function is just helping us to swap these channels inside an image. But maybe you can think we can do these things via on, for example, we can split an image, then we can swap the channels, then we can merge them again. You can also do in that way, but this is an optimized way, so that's why we need this function. In that way you are making the way longer. So mixChannels is basically doing that job. Also, this is an overloaded function. Not this one, I am not gonna use. The second also I am not choosing. The third one I'm gonna choose because this is the simple one. We can understand easily how this function is working. Okay, this is the input image we are giving. This is the destination image is gonna be, and this is the gonna be the order map we can call, because we need to tell which channels is gonna be changed. In the code part we are gonna understand more clearly. Okay, let's switch to the code part, which is in here. I have a Lena image, you see. Let's play with the channel of this Lena image. Okay, first of all I need to define my output image, but this is needed to be same type and same size of the Lena image. So I need to maybe just image.size. Then after that I need to give the type image.type, and I think all is done. Maybe we can give the I think the third one is not needed. This is enough. Then also we need to define the vector, which is in this type. Let's just copy and paste. This is gonna be from toArray, is gonna be equal to this part only important. And let's explain here. The first one, by the way, I need to tell OpenCV is reading the channels via on BGR order. So in the backend, of course, always in this order, so you need to keep in mind. The first one, the zeroth one, I need to tell, for example, blue channel in the destination image is gonna be less say the red channel, which is defining 2. Then the 1 is gonna represent as, let's say, 0, and which is the blue channel. And in the second one, which is red channel, is gonna be in the destination image, which is left 0. We used 0, 2 and 1, of course. Yeah, so not complicated. So new in the destination image we are gonna see this was BGR before. In the destination image we are gonna see as now the blue is gonna be the second. So the blue in the destination image is gonna be the where is the zeroth one? This one. So this is gonna be red, sorry, G. So after that the second one, the green one, is gonna be the 2, which is red channel, and the last one is gonna be the blue channel. So not complicated. Maybe I explained complicatedly, but it's simple. So B is gonna be in this channel, G is gonna be in this channel, red is gonna be in this channel in the destination image. This is the one important, and we can call our mixChannel function so we can see the result. Okay, and image, and by the way, in this version which I'm using, OpenCV 4.8, seems this is now 2 overloaded function only, so we are using the second one. Okay, the output image and from toArray. Then all is done. I want to see my output image in here. Maybe similarly we can see the image also, input image, so we can compare. Maybe also I want to write to the console some of the elements, so we can also check by the values. It will be easy to understand. Image.add, so let's say this is 3 channels, so vector 3b, and we need to see some of elements inside the image. Let's say 133 to 222, let's say. Okay, why is okay this? Then I want to see one more element. It will be better to compare. Let's say this is 55 to 22, let's say. Okay, and this is done. Similarly, after the function is done, I want to see in the destination image how it's changing. So just take the output image, put into the here. Okay, all is done. Let's run the code. Okay, you see this is my input image and this is my output image. What I did basically, the blue channel in the input image now is the red channel in the destination image. So you can compare 176 now is the red channel in the destination image, which is here. So 94 is 94 also. Similarly, the green channel in the destination is gonna be represented on the blue channel side, which is the first element. So 218 is 218 in here, and 94 120 is 120 in here. Yeah, this is the logic used in this function. Also, one thing maybe I need to remind, for example, you use in here 0 index for 2, 1 for 0. You can also say the second element also I want to use for the 0th. If you do this, one of that will be ignored and is gonna be 0. You see, green is ignored in now in the destination image because the 0 is used for the red channel image. So that's why one of them is ignored. So you need to combine including all the elements. There shouldn't be outside of this array. So this is one is outside, so you need to put here. So it's gonna give you the result well. So you can play with this. Let's make this 1, let's make this 2, let's make this 0. So you are gonna get a different output just by mixing the channels. So this function is easy to understand, in some cases useful, but I suggest you, if you only need to, for example, let's say you want to convert from BGR to RGB, there is already a convert to function, which is you can easily use that one, which is with convert or different kind of function you can easily convert. But for specific, for example, BGR to GRB, there is no kind of conversion readily prepared in the backend, so you need to use this function in that case. Okay, basically I want to show how this is used. See you in the next videos.